Hi everyone, welcome to Hunter Gatherer Cooking. I'm going to do a quick unboxing video because I've had a couple of boxes delivered from Hill Farm, which is a long way away from Bristol. So thank you very much for sending this. I'll show you what's inside.
Right, let's have a little look inside then. So we do the small one first. Well packed. So it's got the wool insulating stuff. It's heavy. Okay. Wow. Rice packs. I shall keep them. And we've got pork chops. Amazing. They need to go in the freezer. Another ice pack. Fillet steak. Oh yeah. And bacon. It is bacon. Gammon, maybe. That looks beautiful. And now we'll do this one. Oh. More packaging. I'm okay with that. Okay, so I've taken some of the stuff out, and I've just realised that on the front it says eggs. So we'll open them up. Okay. 6 little eggs. I have never in my life seen an egg posted, but every single one is intact. Win. Okay, we continue. We dig a little deeper. Ha, here we go. Okay, so what's in the bag? Raw milk kefir with maple syrup and lemon. Wow. Exciting. Raw milk kefir. Very good. Very good. There we are, all together. The cheese curds, the fillet, the pork chops, the bacon, the eggs, posted eggs, and all that lovely milk. So, thank you very much.
Well, that was incredible. Never in my life have I seen a posted egg before. I didn't think that it would make it, but all 12 have arrived safe and sound. The meat looks absolutely phenomenal. I can't wait to try that. So again, thank you very much to Hill Farm for this. You're going to see all of this being cooked over the sort of coming weeks and things, so look out for that. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell for when the videos do go live, and I'll see you soon.